No, these questions are directed to you. Yes, because there are two icons who are celebrating 25 years of legacy in the film industry that you're bringing together. At the same time, YRF Spy Universe has always delivered blockbuster hits. So are you under pressure?
Too much pressure. Lots of pressure. From the day that I was came on to bring this vision, no doubt, a lot of pressure. But the way that I eventually handled the pressure and made the film is to just focus on what the actual film is, what the actual story of this film is, what the actual soul of this film is. And by keeping my focus on that and trying to tell that story in the best possible way, in the most entertaining way for everybody who's going to watch it, that's how we have handled the pressure. But the pressure is there, yes.
And I'm sure all the pressure is going to just vanish on August 14th when you have a blockbuster hit. After War 1, War 2. So how different or what are you looking forward to tell the audience?
How different? Again, two answers to this. One is I love War 1. Okay, I love that movie. I loved Hrithik sir in that film. I went and saw it 2-3 times in the cinema. So coming in to do part 2 of the film, I had a lot of love and respect for what has happened in War 1, what happened in Pathaan. Of course, we wanted to take it to the next level. But when you come on to do the second part of a franchise film, you definitely want to celebrate the first film as well while making the second film. So there are things which are similar to part 1, and I hope we've done it even bigger and better and in a newer way. And the second aspect is, I do think, I was trying to say this earlier as well, there is something very unique and different in the story of War 2, a different kind of emotion and soul in it. I can't talk about it too much till you don't watch the film in the cinemas. But I hope when you watch it, that will stand out for you and you will realize how War 2 is different than War 1.
Okay, Ayan, oka question ikkada undetvanti Telugu audience alage I think all the film lovers want to ask you is that we have Hrithik sir, we have NTR sir in the movie. Now who is the good guy, who is the bad guy?
Hrithik versus NTR, NTR versus Hrithik. See, honestly, I have set off and we've all set off to make a great 2-hero film in War 2. It is a 2-hero film. There is something in our story where when you watch the film and come out, you will have to tell me who was good and who was bad. Because the answer is not so clear. Yeah. But no, overall I just hope, I would just say that I think that my feeling is when anybody comes out of this film in any part of the country, they are going to be rooting for both our heroes in this film.
I'm sure, yes, yes. And one last question to you. ఇంకొక స్పెక్యులేషన్ కూడా నడుస్తుంది ఎన్టీఆర్ గారు ఇంటర్వెల్ టైంకి వస్తారు సినిమాలో when will he come, when is NTR sir going to come in the film, is it going to be an interval bang, is it after half an hour? So many speculations happening over this.
We would, with NTR sir in the film, there is no, we are smart enough to not make a movie where he comes at interval point in the movie. Okay, that much sense we have. Everything else now you have to see the film and discover it.
Thank you so much.